Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we have discussed about while program. In today's video we will discuss do while program. So here is a program that is going to check whether the given number is an Armstrong number or not using do while. So using do while we are going to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not. So what actually this do while is and how this program is going to work, let us see in today's video. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. So let us see the dry run of the program. So here the complete program we have. So we will see the dry run of the program with all the iterations and then we'll see the actual execution. So first of all, what is this Armstrong number? So Armstrong number is a number whose sum of cube of individual digits is equal to the original number. So for example, I'll input a number, say 153. So the cube of individual digit, when we sum up the cube of individual digit, it equals to same number, that is 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube will give you the answer 153. So how this answer we can get, how we can do the cube of individual digits and how we'll do the sum of the cube of individual digits, that we need to see here in the iterations, and we need to check whether the sum of the cube of individual digit equals to the inputted number or not. If it is equal, then it is Armstrong. If not, then it is not an Armstrong number. So let us see the program now. So as usual, the compiler encounters the variable declaration statement. So as soon as the compiler encounters the variable declaration statement, it is going to allocate the memory for all these variables. So we have num, we have temp, and we have sum. So we have three variables here. Num is going to accept the number. Temp is the supporting variable to perform the logic part computation, and sum is also a supporting variable, and even we have a number, that is digit, individual digit of the number. So I have totally 4 variables and we have taken this num, temp, sum as long type, long integer. So by default the compiler will take it as int. Long is a modifier. Please do check out my previous videos to learn about modifiers. So here we have got the memory for all these variables which has been declared. So 4 variables is declared. So we have got the memory. So long means we are going to get 4 bytes for num, 4 bytes for temp and 4 bytes for sum and 2 bytes for digit with respect to the 16-bit machine we are talking about. The first message that what we are going to get in the output screen is input the 3-digit number. So the format specifier for long integer, it is LD. Store the value in the address of num. So let me say in the output screen, I have inputted, message will come and I have inputted the number 153. So as soon as the compiler reads that value, it is going to store that in the address of num. So 153 will be stored. So runtime, we are giving the value 153. Memory allocation will be done during compile time, and during runtime we are accepting this value 153 and that will go to the address of num. So the value of num is 153. And immediately after that what I do, I store this number to temp. So why we need to store this? Because this num value will be changed during this computation. So to safeguard that original value, I am copying the value of num to temp. So now temp gets the value 153. Assignment operator assigns a value from right hand side to left hand side. Right hand side value 153 is stored to temp. So now temp and num both are 153. Then an initialization will be done, sum equal to 0. So the initial value of sum will be 0. Now the do while loop starts. As usual, the compiler will tell to do the statements first. So as soon as the compiler encounters this do statement, do keyword, what it will do? It will do the statements. It has to execute this complete statement and then check the condition. If the condition evaluates as true, then once again loop back and do the statements. Again check the condition. If true, again loop back, do the statements. Again check the condition. If false, I need to come out of the loop. So now let us see how the do statements gets executed. So what we need to do here, we need to find the cube of individual digits here. So my input number is 153. I need to find 1 cube, 5 cube and 3 cube. So I have to fetch each and every digit, cube those digits and sum up the cube of all the digits. That I need to do. So we are using the modulus operator and division, addition, multiplication, all the arithmetic operators we are using. We have dealt with the arithmetic operators also. Please do watch the playlist. In the playlist you get the details of all the arithmetic operators. So modulus means it is going to return the remainder and division is going to return the quotient part. So let me do the statement. So as soon as the compiler encounters the keyword do, it will do the statement. So I need to execute this complete block of statement. This block I need to execute. The first iteration, what I'll do, I'll say for digit, let me simply write it as D. D equal to, what is the value of num? It is 153. So 153 modulus 10. So modulus means I should get the remainder. So what is the remainder? Let me tell you one technique. So when we do the division operation, so when I want to get the remainder, I have to do division only. And then I need to take the remainder as the answer. So here it is divided by 10 means the last digit will be remainder and the remaining digits will be the quotient. So it is 153 divided by 10. The remainder will be 3 and quotient will be 15. So it is modulus. I need to take the remainder as the answer. So my value in D is 3. So the value stored in D is 3. Then I need to say sum equal to sum plus. What is the initial value of sum? We have initialized the sum to 0. 0 plus digit into digit into digit. So digit value is 3. So it is 3 into 3 into 3. So it is 3 into 3 into 3. It is 27 plus 0. So my sum value will be 27. Then I say num equal to num. Again num means it is 153. 153 divided by 10. So the quotient part is 15. So what value I am going to get in the num? It is 15. Then again I need to check the condition. So after executing these three statements, I have to come to this part. I need to check the condition here. So when I check the condition here, I need to check 15 not equal to 0. Is 15 not equal to 0? Yes. The condition evaluated as true. So what I need to do? I have to loop back and I need to do the statements once again. So when I do the statements, once again these three lines gets executed. So what happens here? I need to do D equal to, that is digit. There is no space, so I am just writing D. D equal to, it is 15 modulus of 10. 15 modulus of 10, how much? So again, it is, take the remainder part, it is 5. So the value in digit, that is D, is 5. Then I say sum equal to sum plus, what is the value in the previous iteration? I got it as 27 plus, it is digit into digit into digit. So what is the digit value? It is 5. So it is 5 into 5 into 5. It is something like 125. So it is 5 into 5 into 5. I get 125. So it is 125 plus 27. What will be the answer? It is 152. My value in sum. Then I say num equal to num divided by 10. So num is 15. 15 divided by 10. So here I need to take quotient part. Quotient part is 1. Right? Again check the condition. 1 not equal to 0. Yes. 1 not equal to 0. Condition evaluated as true. Then again I need to look back. Do the statements. Then in the next iteration what happens? I say digit equal to, it is 1 modulus of 10. So 1 modulus of 10, let me write it like this. I'll say 0, 1. So 1 will be the remainder. So D value is 1. Then I say sum equal to sum. What is the previous iteration value? It is 152. 152 plus D into D into D, that is digit into digit into digit, that is 1 into 1 into 1, it is 1. So it is 152 plus 1. My answer in sum is 153. So the cube of the individual digit, when I sum up the value of the cube of the individual digit, I got the same number. So sum value is 153. Let me continue here. Num equal to, it is 1 divided by 10. So what is 1 divided by 10? That is, if I just write it as 0, 1. So 0 is the quotient part. So my value in num is 0. Then check 0 not equal to 0. 0 not equal to 0? No, the condition evaluated as false. So I shouldn't loop back now. I have to come out of the loop. The loop gets terminated. Control will be to if statement. I check, is temp value equal to sum value? My last value in the sum is 153. The original value I've stored in temp, which is 153. So sum value is changed to 153. So 153 is equal to 153. So 153 in temp equals to 153 in sum. The condition evaluated as true. Then I get the message percentage is an Armstrong number. Temp value is what? Which is 153. 153 is an Armstrong number. So this is how the do while gets executed. It is just an example to explain how the do while statement gets executed. You can have still many examples that will show the working of do while. So here I have taken the example of Armstrong number. So hope you have understood this. This is what do while. So now let us see the actual execution of the program. Save the program. Alt F9. Control F9. Let me input the number 153 itself. So I'll get the message 153 is an Armstrong number. Let me give some other value. Control F9. 456. 456 is not an Armstrong number. You can just check out the cube of individual digits and sum up the cube of individual digits. If it is not equal to the inputted number, then it is not an Armstrong number. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.